All right, we're going to be Travis picking and alternating not between 2 bass strings, but between 3 bass strings. So we're going to be going when we're on the 5th string root, and when we're on the 6th string root. So let's get going. All right, so this is for people that already know how to do the basic 2-string alternate thumb. If we were on A minor, it would be. If we were on E minor, it would be. Right, so I'm alternating thumb, 6th string, 4th string, 6th string, 4th string, or I'm alternating thumb, 5th string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string, depending on what chord I'm on. For this lesson, we're going to be using A minor and E. The A minor is going to represent any of the chords that we would have a 5th string root for, and the E is going to be our 6th string pattern, if we're on our 6th string for the root. So the pattern is, we'll just do the thumb part right now. The pattern for A minor is going to go, if I'm going to hold down my A minor chord, and I'm going to go 5th string, 4th string, 6th string, 4th string. So I get this doom, 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 doom. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I add the pattern with your fingers up top, which is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right? 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Thumb and your ring finger together. Thumb on beat 2. Index finger on the and of 2. Thumb on beat 3. Middle finger on the and of 3. And then thumb on beat 4. So your thumb is always on the beat, which is the case with almost all Travis picking. So you're going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So our notes on the bottom are A, E, 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 low E to high E. So you get that boom, 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 right? Kind of that Johnny Cash thing going on. Then when we go to the E chord, we have to change the pattern because the E chord, the root is on the 6th string. So you're going to start with the 6th string and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's backwards. 6th string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string. So you have root, root, 5, root, 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 5th, root. And then the pattern is the same. So I'm going to play this a few times slowly, going A minor for 2 measures, and then E for 2 measures. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, when you get that pattern down, being able to take it to different chords is the next step. So, just do it to an A chord, it's the same thing, right? You're just playing an A chord instead of A minor, right? Totally works. You could do E minor instead of E, but if we go to a C chord, right? On the C chord, our root is on the 5th string. So, we have an open E string here, if you finger your C chord like this. So you would get something that sounds like this. While that could work, the better way to do it is to finger your C chord like this. So I've got my C chord, and then I've got this. I've got the G down on the 6th string. Then you can play the pattern and have the root, 3rd, 5th, 3rd. Most of the time when I'm doing that, I'm alternating my 3rd finger from the 5th string to the 6th string, back and forth like this. That does a couple of things. It stops this note from ringing as I go to the next note, so I don't have this sound. I have more of this sound. Doom, doom, instead of doom, 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 right? And then if I'm on a B7 chord, right? Here's your B7, right? I'm going to alternate B to F sharp. All right. If I go to a G chord, G has a root on the 6th string. If I play my barred G chord, like an E shape moved up, it's going to be this exact pattern, right? If I play the open G chord, I still play this exact pattern, but now my pattern is going to go root, 5th, 3rd, 5th. So it sounds like this. Instead of this. All right, there's my thumb with the barred chord. And that's what it's going to sound like if I'm playing the open chord. All right. Take this to all the different scales, to all the different chords, and hopefully this really helps you with your Travis picking. Once you get good with that thumb switching, you can switch up what you're doing with your fingers too. All right? See you next week. Bye.